Okay, so we're in the parking garage, and Chase wanted to say something. Go ahead, Chase.
So with our residents, we do include one parking sticker unreserved per bedroom, meaning a one bedroom gets one parking sticker and a two bedroom can get two parking stickers.
Oh, that's nice. I like it.
Those are automatically included, like I said, at no charge to you. If you would like a reserved spot, we have those available as well. They start at $35 per month.
Okay, so Chase, that's pretty amazing because first of all, there's some apartments, and it's all part of what every apartment offers. So it's just differences. But some apartments, even if it's two bedroom, they'll just get one spot. So that's nice to hear. And I'll tell you, getting a reserve spot for $35 is unheard of. I've never heard of that kind of low price. So this is a good sized garage. It looks really clean and well kept. I'm not feeling that it's old or there's any safety issues and things like that. So great garage. And again, it's about 10:30 in the day, so you're not seeing a lot of traffic right now. But cool garage.